This is my before. I'm heading to Dr. Geer's, and I don't want it to look like I had something done. I just want to look like my skin's a little bit stronger and not so thin. I'm getting a little nervous, you guys.
You're not a BBL Halo virgin anymore. We've done this before.
This is my third treatment and I still get like, ah, let's see what happens. This is pretty intense process, you guys. I've been doing Halo and BBL. I try to do it at least twice a year, if not 3 to 4 times a year. And I'm not getting facials at the spa because instead of doing something to care for the skin I have, this is generating new skin, new collagen. So I'm going way deeper. This is a more intense treatment, but it's not ablative. I'm not gonna look like a hamburger face next week. I'm just gonna have gentle healing, which I'll show you. But this is my high-tech facial. This is what I'm doing. I'm just saving my pennies and generating new skin instead of just doing some pampering and caring for the skin I have. Magic's happening here. Yep. And the benefits of the treatment are great indeed. Oh my God.
Done with your face.
Oh, here we go. Wow.
And your skin is still open from the laser. And so we're taking this moment of opportunity where the skin is open to spread the PRP on. And then it goes into the little micro channels created by the laser and goes deep into the skin. This is the high-tech, far superior version of a vampire facial because it involves no needles into the skin and it penetrates far more deeply.
Wow. It feels like heaven.
It feels better immediately, right?
Mm-hmm.
Your face is done.
Oh, thank God. My face is done. I'm growing new skin with Dr. Geer. Thank you so much. What a great day. The neck, everyone asks for the neck. They want something to be done to the neck when I do their makeup.
So this will get rid of any little waddle that you're doing.
I'm done. I'm done with the Halo. Okay, can I take off the glasses?
Yes.
I did it. I'm done with my Halo laser treatment. Thank you so much, Dr. Geer. So now I just got done with my Halo laser treatment. I saved my pennies, and instead of going to the spa and getting just like a pampering facial, I do this regularly. So I'm trying to do at least 3 times a year. That's my goal. That's
for the broadband light.
Yes,
right?
for broadband light.
And the Halo at least once.
And the Halo at least once a year. This year I'm doing twice a year on the Halo. So I am growing new skin, and now I'm treating the skin with platelet-rich plasma, which has the ability to grow new collagen, new skin, new tissue.
It's the factors in your blood that result in generation of new tissue. It's over 28 different healing and growth factors.
Thank you, Dr. Geer.
You're welcome, Jessica.
I slept in my trusty recliner last night, so the swelling's not too bad. I'm sunburned, but other than that, all is well. I'm liking how much of a result I got on my eyes. Like, I'm liking that we really lifted and pulled the skin up so it could be over the bone and we could have it be treated. So I'm happy about that. I feel banged up, but overall the swelling's not too bad. So it's day 3, Sunday morning, cozy at my house. I usually sneak in and do this late on a Friday night so that we can just kind of lay low, know that you're going to sleep in the recliner for 2 nights. And then by Monday, I can wear sunblock and kind of rejoin my life. Totally doable. And now you know when I say I'm going to get a facial, you know what I'm actually doing.